Buddy and Sue loved staying at the horse ranch. Every morning, they would wake up ready to help. First, they helped Farmer Joe feed the chickens. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Next, they helped clean the horse stalls. It was hard work, but they didn't mind. They brushed the horses until their coats were shiny and smooth. The horses seemed to enjoy it. Sometimes, they helped mend fences. Even small hands could make a big difference. They learned to water the plants in the garden, making sure each one had enough to drink. Buddy and Sue even helped gather eggs from the henhouse. They were so careful not to break them. Sometimes, the work was messy. But that was okay. One day, a baby bird fell out of its nest. Buddy and Sue knew just what to do. They gently put the baby bird back in its nest. Its mother chirped happily. Another time, they helped a lost puppy find its way home. Wag, wag, wag. They followed the puppy until they found its family. Everyone was so happy. Even when things got tough, Buddy and Sue helped each other. They learned that helping others made them feel good inside. It didn't matter if the job was big or small. Every little bit helped. They knew that even little cowboys and cowgirls could make a big difference. The animals loved them, and the farmers appreciated their help. Every day was a new adventure, filled with ways to lend a hand. Buddy and Sue were the best helpers anyone could ask for. Because being helpful is always the best thing to be. Helping others can be as simple as sharing a toy. Kindness is appreciated everywhere. Every act of kindness is a step toward making a better world.